Hi everyone. Welcome to English with BU. Today, we will practice listening and speaking skills. So, it helps to learn new vocabulary and expressions. Now, let's learn a new topic.
Our topic today is my vacation. Listen carefully and fill in the missing words. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Lily, who lived in a small town surrounded by green hills and whispering trees. Lily had been waiting for what seemed like forever for her vacation to finally arrive. She dreamed of sunny days and sandy beaches, of chasing waves and building sandcastles. When the day finally came, Lily's family packed up their old car with suitcases and snacks, ready to hit the road. As they drove, Lily gazed out the window, marveling at the sights passing. They passed fields of bright sunflowers, their petals reaching up towards the sky, and charming little villages with houses painted in every color of the rainbow. After what felt like a very long time, they finally got to where they were going, a cozy beach house right by the water. Lily's heart jumped with happiness when she saw the sparkling ocean. She could smell the salty sea and hear seagulls in the distance. It was like stepping into a wonderful dream that had come true. The sound of the waves crashing against the shore was like a soothing song that helped them drift off to sleep. With the warmth of the fire on their faces and the gentle rhythm of the ocean in their ears, they felt peaceful and content. The sound of the waves was like a gentle lullaby, helping them fall asleep peacefully. They felt cozy by the fire, happy and tired from a day of fun at the beach. But all good things must come to an end. And soon it was time for Lily and her family to pack up and head home. As they drove away from the beach, Lily couldn't help but feel a twinge of sadness. But she also knew that she would carry the memories of their vacation with her forever, memories of sunshine and laughter, of sandy toes and salty kisses. And for that, she was grateful.
Let's learn some interesting vocabulary and expressions to improve your English.
Hit the road, mean to leave a place or begin a journey. Example, I'd love to stay longer but I must be hitting the road. Marvel verb, to show or experience great surprise or admiration. Example, just look at that waterfall. Isn't it amazing? She marveled. Seagulls, a bird that lives near the sea and has short legs, white and gray feathers. Example, a flock of seagulls. Sparkling adjective, shining brightly. Example, sparkling white teeth. Pack up, to stop working or doing another regular activity. Example, she packed up her job and went off to Australia. Twinge noun, a sudden short feeling of physical or mental pain. Example, I felt a twinge in my knee. Grateful adjective, showing or expressing thanks. Example, after the earthquake we felt grateful to be alive. Listen to the story carefully one more time. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Lily, who lived in a small town surrounded by green hills and whispering trees. Lily had been waiting for what seemed like forever for her vacation to finally arrive. She dreamed of sunny days and sandy beaches, of chasing waves and building sandcastles. When the day finally came, Lily's family packed up their old car with suitcases and snacks, ready to hit the road. As they drove, Lily gazed out the window, marveling at the sights passing. They passed fields of bright sunflowers, their petals reaching up towards the sky, and charming little villages with houses painted in every color of the rainbow. After what felt like a very long time, they finally got to where they were going, a cozy beach house right by the water. Lily's heart jumped with happiness when she saw the sparkling ocean. She could smell the salty sea and hear seagulls in the distance. It was like stepping into a wonderful dream that had come true. The sound of the waves crashing against the shore was like a soothing song that helped them drift off to sleep. With the warmth of the fire on their faces and the gentle rhythm of the ocean in their ears, they felt peaceful and content. The sound of the waves was like a gentle lullaby, helping them fall asleep peacefully. They felt cozy by the fire, happy and tired from a day of fun at the beach. But all good things must come to an end. And soon it was time for Lily and her family to pack up and head home. As they drove away from the beach, Lily couldn't help but feel a twinge of sadness. But she also knew that she would carry the memories of their vacation with her forever, memories of sunshine and laughter, of sandy toes and salty kisses. And for that, she was grateful. Now, it's time to practice and answer some questions. It helps to understand and is effective for memorizing this topic. 1. What was Lily's dream vacation destination? The correct answer is B. A cozy beach house. 2. What did Lily see passing by as they drove to their vacation destination? The correct answer is A. Fields of bright sunflowers. 3. How did Lily feel when she saw the sparkling ocean? The correct answer is C. Happy. 4. What sound helped Lily and her family fall asleep at the beach house? The correct answer is D. Waves crashing against the shore. 5. How did Lily feel when it was time to leave the beach? The correct answer is C. Sad. Great job today! Keep up the good work. And don't forget, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.